5 years old, staring down to the bottom of Mountaintop Road, hands wrapped tight around those plastic handle grips. I took off flying, picking up speed. The world was a blur of rocks and weeds. It was all worth the pain of landing, getting my first 3 stitches. Everyone said that I shouldn't do it, cut and bruised, but I got through it. I've still got the scars to prove it.